Welcome to Lingo Tree Let's Speak Italian online series.
In our previous lesson, we started learning about the Italian articles. We completed the definite articles.
Il, lo, la, I, gli, le.
Today, we will learn about the other type of articles, the indefinite articles. As you might know, the English indefinite articles are a, an, and they are used together with nouns of unknown or unquantifiable persons, places, or objects. Now let us see the Italian indefinite articles.
Un, uno, una.
We will begin with the articles
Un, uno.
for singular masculine nouns that start with a vowel or consonant letter. We use the article
Un.
Let's have a look at the example below. In Italian, both airplane and elephant are considered as singular masculine nouns and they start with a vowel or consonant letter. Therefore, in order to say an airplane or an elephant, we use the article
Un. Un aereo. Un elefante.
Now let's continue to the next article. For singular masculine nouns starting with X, Y, Z, and the groups GN, PN, PS, SC, we use the article uno. Look at the example below. In Italian, both backpack and squirrel are considered singular masculine nouns and they both start with one of the above-mentioned letters. Therefore, in order to say a backpack or a squirrel, we use the article
Uno. Uno zaino. Uno scoiattolo.
Well done. You have completed the Italian indefinite articles used with singular masculine nouns. Now we will learn about the indefinite articles used for singular feminine nouns. For singular feminine nouns starting with a vowel or a consonant letter, we use the article una. Let's have a look at the examples. In Italian, both ball and orange are considered feminine nouns, and one starts with a vowel letter and the other with a consonant letter. Therefore, in order to say a ball or an orange, we use the article
Una. Una palla. Un'arancia.
Yummy!
Attention! There is one little variation which you need to pay attention to. The indefinite feminine article, una, needs to be changed if followed by a noun starting with a vowel letter. For example,
Isola.
an island. Island, in Italian, is considered as a feminine noun and as you can see it begins with a vowel letter. Therefore, as previously explained, in this case, we use the article una, used for feminine nouns, and because in Italian we don't put two vowel letters together, the ending vowel letter, a, of the article is replaced with an apostrophe.
Un'isola.
The same thing also applies to the next example.
Arancia.
Orange, in Italian, is considered as a feminine noun, and as you can see it begins with a vowel letter. Therefore, we use the article una, used for feminine nouns, and the ending vowel letter, a, of the article is replaced with an apostrophe.
Un'arancia.
Great, you have completed the Italian indefinite articles. To sum up what you have learned today, in Italian, there are three types of indefinite articles.
Un, uno, una.
The articles
Un, uno,
are used for singular masculine nouns and the article
una
is used for singular feminine nouns. Our today's lesson about the Italian articles ends here. Throughout episodes 6 and 7, you have learned about the Italian definite and indefinite articles. As we previously informed, these topics take time and practice to fully grasp. Therefore, if you have experienced some difficulties, don't give up. Keep maintaining your enthusiasm and passion for learning the Italian language. From experience, we know that for many, grammar is boring and difficult. However, in order to fluently speak a language, understanding grammar is essential. Don't give up and keep practicing with us towards your path of mastering the Italian language.
Congratulations, you have made it to the end. Can't wait to see you on our next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.